Hey guys, I hope you are all good. Today, I will show you how to create any website shortcut on your desktop using Google Chrome. So let's start the video. Welcome to my channel TW Tech. First, you need to go to the website which you want to create shortcut. Then click on this button. Click on Install. Now you can see that your website is open in another window. You can also see that the website shortcut now on your desktop. But if the button doesn't show in your Chrome browser, then follow those steps. Go to your website. As you can see that there are no button to create shortcut. In this case, you need to click on three dots icon. Put your mouse on it to scroll down. Then put your mouse on Save and Share. Click on Create Shortcut. Click on Create. Now you can see that the website shortcut is on the desktop. So that's how you can do it. If you're having any issue, tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.